रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन 2015।
मकसद आप सबसे मिलने का।
रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन 2015
जहां होंगी पोइट्री, प्ले, सिंगिंग, प्रेजेंटेशन और मच मोर।
So what are you waiting for? जल्दी से रजिस्टर करें हमारी वेबसाइट www.radioudan.com पर और बने पार्ट 2015 रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन का। जी दोस्तों, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। मैं दानिश महाजन प्रोग्राम बदलते दौर में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। दिन शनिवार और समय बज चुके हैं 10:01 और मैं एक और गर्म टॉपिक के साथ आप सभी के साथ हूं। 17 जनवरी 2015 और आज हम बात करेंगे जिसको करंट अफेयर, मतलब कि आप कह सकते हैं कि करंट देने वाला करंट अफेयर। आई टेल यू, you all are invited. It is a public debate. You feel free to call us. Our Skype ID Radio Udan, RADIOUDAAN. Before I introduce the panelist and the topic, let's share some headlines. बिहार के कृषि मंत्री नरेंद्र सिंह ने कहा, जीतन राम मांझी को हटाना जहर खाने के समान होगा। अभी सेंसर बोर्ड के सदस्यों के इस्तीफे पर अरुण जेटली ने कहा, यूपीए द्वारा नियुक्त लोग कर रहे हैं राजनीति। घरेलू व्यापारियों के नुकसान को लेकर आरएसएस की मांग, फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजॉन को किया जाए इंडिया में बैन। सतीश उपाध्याय पर लगाए गए केजरीवाल द्वारा आरोप कि सतीश उपाध्याय ने इलेक्शन बोर्ड को शिकायत। 20 जनवरी 3 बजे तक केजरीवाल को देना होगा जवाब। केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर ने कहा, 2019 तक 20 प्रदेशों में होंगे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री। क्रिकेट विश्व कप से पहले पाकिस्तान खिलाड़ियों का पेशावर स्कूल में दौरा। अमेरिका की कुछ महत्वपूर्ण वेबसाइट हैकर्स ने की हैक और तीसरे विश्व युद्ध का किया ऐलान। और डेरा सच्चा सौदा बाबा गुरमीत राम रहीम की फिल्म मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड पंजाब में बैन। ये दोस्तों हेडलाइंस के बाद एक बार फिर से मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं और अब समय है आपको पैनलिस्ट और टॉपिक से मिलवाने का। द टॉपिक इज सेंसर बोर्ड अनफेयर टू मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड। आपको बता दूं, मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड सच्चा सौदा यानी कि डेरा सच्चा सौदा के प्रमुख बाबा गुरमीत राम रहीम जिसमें खुद एक्ट कर रहे हैं, और इस मूवी को सेंसर बोर्ड ने इजाजत नहीं दी थी। फिर इस मूवी को फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन एफिलिएशन ट्रिब्यूनल के पास भेजा गया, उन्होंने इसको मंजूरी दी। इसके जवाब में सेंसर बोर्ड की अध्यक्ष लीला सैमसन समेत 9 लोगों ने अपना इस्तीफा दे दिया। कई लोग इसे पॉलिटिकल रंग समझ रहे हैं और लीला सैमसन का इस पर खुद कहना है कि केंद्र सरकार का दबाव होने के कारण मैं इस्तीफा दे रही हूं। हालांकि उन्होंने मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड पर कोई कमेंट नहीं किया। दूसरी तरफ, इससे पहले मैं डिबेट शुरू करूं, आपको यह भी बता दूं कि सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्री राठौड़ साहब ने कहा कि अगर सरकार ने किसी तरह का कोई दबाव बनाया है तो उन्हें प्रूफ देने चाहिए. Now let's get back to the debate and my panelists today. Or once again, I'm informing you, it is a public debate. Feel free to join us. Skype ID Radio, RADIO UDWN. Joining me from Chennai studio, media spokesperson Bala Nagendran. So welcome. Joining me, our program manager from Ludhiana, Jyoti Malik. Welcome.
Thanks.
Joining me from Hyderabad studio, Meenal Singh Beji, director of radio. Welcome. Or from Punjab, Barnala, joining me, Chetna Singla. Ma'am, welcome.
Thank you.
Opening up the debate. Guys, are you ready to debate it? Guys and girls, brother.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start it. Jyoti Malik, your opening comments.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि ये मूवी जिसे बैन लगाया गया है, सेंसर बोर्ड अनफेयर है. मैं इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के बारे में बोलना चाहूंगी.
जी, मैं करेक्ट कर दूं आपको थोड़ा सा कि सेंसर बोर्ड ने इस पर बैन लगाया था, लेकिन इसको खारिज कर दिया गया था फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन एफिलिएशन ट्रिब्यूनल. जी
जी बिल्कुल. और मेरा मतलब कहना यही है कि ये अनफेयर है.
अनफेयर है. सो ज्योति मलिक इज सेइंग सेंसर बोर्ड इज कंप्लीटली अनफेयर. जी, चेतना सिंगला जी.
Yeah, I will also say that it's unfair.
You are saying unfair. Okay.
Yeah.
So Nikita has joined me from Mumbai studio. Nikita, welcome.
थैंक यू सो मच दानिश.
What is your take on it?
मेरा भी यही है कि अनफेयर है. कुछ मूवी के लिए अलग रूल, कुछ मूवीज के लिए अलग रूल तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Unfair. So 3 on one side. Media spokesperson, your point of view.
Good evening, moderator, and as well as the listeners. I straight away begin by saying it is not censor board, it is the board of certification. They haven't given the certificate, so it doesn't mean that the movie has been banned. And as a body that is given with a legal legitimacy, it has acted according to its fairness. So it is fair.
It is fair. So after making your opening rhetorics, at least you said, okay, it's fair. Well,
Yeah.
I will get back to you. If Meenal ji is with us, I want to know the opening comments, then I'm gonna open it out. I think she's not with us. Let's, guys and girls, let's debate it. Put your points, 3 versus 1 in the initial stage. Jyoti Malik, you have your point. Why?
जी डेफिनेटली. जी, इस मूवी में जहां तक मुझे इसके बारे में पता है, इस मूवी में उन्होंने ये कास्टिज्म और ये ड्रग एडिक्शन और ये अल्कोहलिज्म इसके बारे में उन्होंने कहा है कि हमें इन सब से दूर रहना चाहिए.
Let me give you a question. You take my question is, क्या एक बाबे को जिसके साथ 5 करोड़ फॉलोवर हैं, 125 करोड़ की हमारी आबादी है, और एक बाबा जिसकी धार्मिक भावनाएं लोगों की जुड़ी हुई हैं, वो जीन डाल रहे हैं, वो स्टंट कर रहे हैं. I mean, what sort of message he is conveying?
तो मैसेज वो जो भी कन्वे कर रहे हो, अगर उनके फॉलोअर्स को ये एक्सेप्ट है तो हमें उससे क्या लेना देना.
No, what about other 120 crore people? You are talking about 5 crore people.
only 6 people are.
One by one. I will get back to you. Ji.
Only 6 people are contesting.
Okay, Chetna ji, Bala, you come closer to your mic, and Chetna ji, please go ahead.
Beginning with the communal
नहीं,
color.
बट हमें उनकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस पे नहीं जाना. हमें ये देखना उन्होंने मैसेज क्या दिया है. ड्रिंकिंग को अवॉइड करो, उनका ये गुड मैसेज देखो ना. उनकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस के थ्रू उन्होंने मैसेज भी तो दिया है ना गुड. ये थोड़ा ना देखना कि उन्होंने जीन्स डाल ली तो वो गलत हो गया.
और अगर
आमिर खान
अगर ऐसी बात करें तो पीके की भी बात आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि पीके भी सभी ने देखी है. उसमें तो कितनी सारी चीजें आ गई.
आमिर खान ने तो बिल्कुल.
I took your point, Bala Nagendan. Straightforward. Now they are throwing some points that Chetna is saying. Let me translate for you. She is saying, what you have to do with the dress up. I mean, when the message, he is giving a good message, and the point thrown by Nikita ji is clearly saying PK was objectionable, censor board did nothing for that. I mean, in this movie there is nothing. Then how you are proving that it's a fair?
Sir, PK, in the case of PK and in terms of Messenger of God is completely different. In PK, the movie hasn't shown the obscene scenes. Even if it felt like obscene, they have gone to the court and the court cleared it.
Like that?
The court cleared it. Even in Central Board for Film Certification.
Just tell me which
Arey
scene.
Baba,
Have
if
you
you are
seen that
taking,
trailer?
you are giving the argument, court cleared.
Wait.
It is
Central-
also given by the film certification affiliation.
Central Board for Film Certification has done its duty. If you want it to be dealt with, you have to go to the court rather than.
Put forward the reasons why they. What is the reason why they are not? Why they are
Why
banning
they
it?
refused?
No,
Why
no.
they
PK
First
ने
of
scene
all,
में दिखा, अगर आपने
you
देखा नहीं है
need
तो
to
बता
take
दो आप
to the
सभी को.
judiciary. If you don't have, instead of fighting with the people, instead of pushing them to resign,
I think some problems are there. We'll rectify the problem soon. Be with us.
yeah, my voice is there.
Yeah, now your voice is there.
Yes. So it is the duty that the authority has to follow. The authority has followed. The Central Board for Film Certification has cancelled many movies, AA, AA, AAA. They have been taken to the upper authority, appellate tribunal, and they have been sorted out.
Agreed.
Many movies have been released. Then
Agreed.
if you don't
My
want,
question is, Bala Nagendan, I am giving you a simple question. I agree. I completely agree with you. In those movies, what you are talking about has been conveyed a message by the censor board. What about this movie? Which message? Why they are banning? I mean, I want
no,
the answer.
not in all the movies, sir. In terms of even if you take Vishwarupam, Central Board has issued its reluctance. Then they have gone to the appellate. Then they have gone again. The people have protested. Then they have gone to the court. Then this problem has been solved. This is how you have to do. Instead of forcing the authority, no, you should not ban. But however, they have received a protest, right? PK also received a protest, gone to the court.
Yeah.
Now this is also receiving a protest. If you respect Hindus, you must also respect Sikh. India
This
is a
is what
secular
they are
country.
saying. This is what
वही
they
तो हम
are
कह
saying.
रहे हैं ना, वही तो हम कह रहे हैं.
That's why you go to the court. Why are you forcing the Central Board for Film Certification on this? They have done their duty according to them. They have justified the reason.
Which reason? This is what I'm asking from the beginning.
Yeah, I will tell you. The songs and the way he acts, it damages the sentiment of those who consider Guru.
अच्छा,
The hero
फिर
is
PK में-
acting
अच्छा, फिर
himself as a-
PK में
Okay,
अगर हम बात
even
करें
if you-
तो
Nikita is arguing with you. Okay,
अच्छा
Nikita.
पीके में अगर बात करें तो फिर चप्पल पहन के मंदिर में जाना वो कहाँ से which kind of message is conveying?
Why the people haven't questioned at that time? They have gone to court, na? You have gone to court, right?
Has this movie, they have banned this movie, like, even they have someone like...
They are
same certification.
reluctant. Central Board of Film Certification is reluctant. And
No, they have given the same, they have treated the movie same as they are treating Messenger of God.
which movie?
TK.
How do you know? How do you know?
No, you tell me, na. This is what
I am not, no, that's what I'm saying. You can't treat same movie. PK sabbject matter is
Why?
completely
Now
different.
my
Why?
question to
The way-
Nikita
because of
ji-
big production.
My question
Because
is
of big
Nikita ji
production.
or Chetna ji. My simple question is, when PK got released, we have seen protest. Okay,
Yes.
we have seen
Yeah.
people are breaking the theaters and so on. Now again, shouldn't we have any lesson from that? Shouldn't we learn any lesson? And same, just the controversy is going, and moreover, this movie came and it will create a problem, especially in North India, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. Even we got the जो हमारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन ब्यूरो है उसकी एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार यहाँ पर अगर इस मूवी को लॉन्च करते हैं तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में दंगे होने की संभावना है. इसको जानते हुए और जब सेंसर बोर्ड ने डिसीजन लिया है तो इसमें क्या गलत है? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर ऐसी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो? निकिता and Chetna.
बट ये तो आप संभावना बोल रहे हो ना, क्या पता आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस मूवी पीपल कुछ और ढंग से रिएक्ट करें.
तो यू आर डाउटिंग ऑन द रिपोर्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडिया.
और दानिश अगर आप ऐसी बात करेंगे तो पीके के साथ भी तो वही हुआ कि मतलब उसके बाद भी तो प्रोटेस्ट हुए, लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट तो किए है ना। अगर मैसेज सही जा रहा है, हमने अभी तक देखा कहा है कि प्रोटेस्ट हुए है कि नहीं। अभी तो उन्होंने सिर्फ
वही है ना, अभी तो
ये
just
संभावना बताई है।
डाउट है कि हो सकते हैं, बट
हो
क्या
सकते हैं।
पता लोगों को
Yesterday a protest
है।
took place. 60 people
हाँ।
protested. They were arrested. For your latest information in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
अच्छा दानिश, अगर
खाली-
ये बात आप बोल रहे हो, फिर भी पीके में उन्होंने कहा है कि हमने कोई
No,
सीन
again
कम
you are
करेंगे।
going back to PK. PK is solved by the
Bala,
court.
we are comparing both movies.
No,
because
I am
PK are
not
giving
comparing.
same
I'm
message,
saying
this scene-
we should not compare PK. PK. If we speak
Why?
about PK, it is contempt to court. Court has said
Bala, because of big production, you are just hiding this.
no.
movie from
This is
PK.
not because of big production. Because of small production.
No, Bala,
The
but
problem.
so see, for the listeners' sake, let me translate. Bala Nagendran is today saying, and Bala Nagendran is an educated guy of India, saying कि भाई movie censor board is fair because Bala Nagendran has problem the way he has dressed up in the movie, the way he has acted,
No.
the way he has sung. So can
No,
you
no,
please
I
tell
have
me-
no problem. I
gone
have no
through whole
problem with
interview
that.
of-
See,
you said
censor
it in
board.
your opening
No,
comments.
I
can play the
am
tape for the
favoring
listener.
censor board. I
I can
am
play
favoring
the
Central
recording
Board
for
for
your
film
sake.
certification. Come on. The
Yeah.
thing is, for example, you see,
Arey
Parliament
bhai,
is
this
there.
is my simple question is,
Wait.
in your words, no, let me clarify for yours. Very simply, see, I won't give you any rhetorics, don't worry.
Yeah.
I have a very simple words, my question is, and you are very good in English, so no need to, choose any words for
This
it.
is what
Now
rhetoric.
the question is very simple. What is your objection? I mean, you means censor board. I want to know how
I
you are
want- I-
stating
I-
censor
my
board
objection
is
is-
fair by rejecting this movie. Simple.
I am not at all going towards. First of all, we need to understand censor board and its function. I am favoring that function of censor board.
Exactly.
Right?
I agree.
No one know the movie. No one know what is there. Bottom line, the censor board said, justified the reason. If you don't agree, go to the court and do
Arey bhai,
something.
they go on and they got the justice. We are not talking
That's-
about that. The movie is
No,
getting
I am.
released. What you are not able
let
to
it-
understand my simple. I don't know why you are not able to understand. My question
censor
is,
Okay,
board.
let me read a line.
Is censor board unfair or not?
Jyoti Malik,
Censor board is fair itself,
Jyoti Malik
fair
has a
itself.
document, Balanikethan, for you. So she is reading out a document.
No, I have read all the documents.
It is written there. It is written there. The members of objected to the portrayal of Singh as a god. As a god in the movie. Maybe he is acting as a god in the movie. That's why they have rejected. So people are saying like
There
that.
are
So,
many as well, ma'am.
I want to
I
say,
think you haven't
in
read
the
to the
movie-
fullest, I guess. There are logical issues, the way it has been projected, the way it is meant to reach to the people. Everything has been considered by the Central Board of Film Certification. The problem is whether it is fair or unfair. According to me, according to its functional jurisdiction,
Okay. Yes, I
according
got
to
your
its
valid point.
legitimacy,
Yeah,
it is fair.
I got your point. I got your valid point. I will throw to them. Meenal Singh,
Thanks
if
for
you are
accepting.
hearing me,
Niranjan Manwar has joined.
hello. Oh, Naresh has joined. Rectify the noise from the mobile and other things, please. You are in studio. Yeah.
Niranjan Manwar.
Sorry, Niranjan, welcome. And I request all
Ah,
the
no.
panelists and the participants, while coming on air, please behave gently. You are with the people. A lot of people across the world are listening you. So come with switching off your phone. Somebody is getting the noise. I will request my technician to remove. Okay, Niranjan, आपका स्वागत है. Bala ने एक बहुत अच्छा, Bala has put a very valid point. So I have to, and Meenal Singhvi, who has joined me from the beginning, but I don't know what she is afraid of. Haven't spoken a single word. Well, I will get back. Okay, निरंजन जी, आप अपनी बात रखें. आपका स्वागत है.
हाँ नमस्कार. मैं यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो सेंसर बोर्ड ने जो किया वो सही किया है, क्योंकि हमारे देश में बहुत प्रकार लोग हैं, इसीलिए जो हमारे देश के लिए दंगा और मुश्किल का संभावना है वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
अरे
उसको
मुश्किल का संभावना है तो दंगों की संभावना है. So it can create create a communal problem. So that's why it should censor body. Fair. Well,
Yeah,
who else has
that
joined
must
us,
be
Bala?
stopped.
Okay, so it must be stopped, but it is not stopped. Okay.
इस तरह से तो वो जो
Now,
मूवी
Jyoti, I have a point, including
जी,
the point
yeah.
of Niranjan, Chetna, Nikita ji, and I have a point.
हाँ.
We have an independent body called censor board. Okay? Censor board is made to pass the movie or censor the movie. Okay? It's an independent body. Understand it? ये एक आजाद. Okay? Now, while censor board has to act according to us, they have judged.
it is
They
a
find
democracy,
something.
भाई.
They
We are
find
living in a
something.
democracy.
अरे
Come
भाई,
on.
तो why
The
you
first
make
thing, if you consider
constitutional body?
democracy, planning commission
Arre,
acted on democracy.
If you say democracy, by this logic, you are not respecting the democracy, because in democracy,
You said it,
full
we
rights
are-
have been given
we
to the
are-
constitutional bodies,
Only-
and you are
only
doubting the
one
constitutional, independent
Only-
constitutional body.
Sir,
No,
one thing,
Only
Mr. Moderator,
one-
say very simple
only
example.
one
We are
country-
writing the exam.
Let her,
right?
let her break my point first. The argument thrown by you, let them break.
Only Sikh community is against.
No,
I'm-
don't be community. Don't be communal. No, come on. We all are Indians first. Then only you are Sikh. I am Hindu and he is Muslim.
एक्चुअली मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि ज्योति जी कैसे जान गया कि सिख अगेंस्ट में है और सब साथ में है.
अरे हाँ, मुझे
What is
डॉक्यूमेंट
meant by only
आप
Sikh
मेरे
community?
क्वेश्चन
So
का
if
जवाब
only
दे.
one
चेतना
community is
जी, निकिता जी, आई वांट आंसर. आप किसी इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी पर कैसे डाउट कर सकते हैं जब आपने बॉडी बनाई है, वो जज कर रहे हैं कि किस मूवी को पास करना चाहिए, किसको नहीं करना चाहिए. उनको इस मूवी में कुछ खराब लगा, उन्होंने नहीं पास की. तो आई मीन व्हाट्स रॉन्ग इन इट?
तो बाकी मतलब और भी कितने सारी मूवीज है. चलो ये मैसेज आपको
नहीं,
ये
बट
कह रही
देयर शुड बी रीजन ना, देयर शुड बी रीजन
There
कि
should be
उन्होंने क्यों
reason.
ऐसा किया, या तो उन्हें कोई लॉजिक पता है ना उसके पीछे.
बहुत
रीजन है तो सही.
जी,
So, ma'am,
now
according to the
Meenal has
functions
joined.
of Central Board for Film Certification,
Now Meenal
there
ji
is
has
nothing
joined us.
mentioned. Yeah,
Meenal ji has
there is
joined.
no.
Okay, Meenal,
आपने
yeah,
एक-
Jyoti.
There
आप
is
मुझे एक बात बताइए, आपने अभी खुद ही बताया कि उनमें से एक मेंबर जो थी उन्होंने क्योंकि उनके ऊपर सेंटर
हाँ,
हाँ वो
गवर्नमेंट
था,
का pressure था.
गवर्नमेंट का
दबाव था, उस वजह से उन्होंने रिजाइन भी करा कुछ इस
रिजाइन
तरह
करा.
भाई
अभी
मैंने कुछ
बताया
नहीं
था.
कहा, मैंने सिर्फ हेडलाइंस पढ़ी हैं. तो
हाँ तो नहीं,
जी.
बट न्यूज तो यही है ना, रियलिटी तो यही है ना.
According to them, they
Okay, so
need
I
not
will
reveal
come
any
with some
secrecy.
technical answers to Bala. I find these ladies are answerless on this question. Well, Singhvi ji, what is your viewpoint?
One also there.
I also go with the females.
You also go with the females.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go with the right thing. You want to go.
राइट टॉपिक.
What is your point? Throw your points.
ये वाला दिस इज अ डेमोक्रेसी. पीपल वांट
Okay, throw your point.
देखो ये उसका अपना थॉट है, अपनी विश है. वैसे भी बाबा जो काना में आजकल हो रहे हैं, हम जो देख रहे हैं बाबा को लेके, वो छुपे तौर से बाहर आ रहे हैं, ये खुलेआम सबके सामने आ रहा है. तो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? चोरी छुपे तो सभी कुछ आ रहा है, कहीं कहीं से किसी का कुछ निकल रहा है, किसी बाबा का कुछ निकल रहा है. ये तो ओपनली जो भी है, वॉट एवर ही इज, ही शोइंग हिमसेल्फ
बस इतना
ऑनेस्टली.
ही है कि
तो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम किसी को हो सकता है?
Ma'am, nothing is honest in a movie, ma'am. Everything
Okay,
is
so
acting.
now I
Everything is honest. Whatever he
Everything is
wears
acting,
jeans, he
nothing
wear
is
in
honest.
front of everyone. He not hide anything from
You
about
can,
it.
you can
We
make
want to
you can
play- we
make
want to
Danish
act
and
in
now
movie,
they
he
begging me
acted.
if he is acting.
No,
Can you
please
call this honest? No, it is acting.
now
Yes, you
Bala
tell me.
Nagendran, I have some questions, or I want you to be specific with me. Okay, so you are alone, so I am asking you.
Niranjan Saab is
5 versus 1. Naranjan Saab is is also, I don't know where on which side he is. Okay, so nevertheless he is with us. He is putting the point कि भाई he is also with you कि communal problems can be there. Now my question to you, Bala.
Yeah.
Here is forget he is a Baba. He belongs to an Indira.
I haven't even gone to the
Oh,
movie.
yes, he is an Indian. Okay. He spent his own money.
Hmm.
Okay. He provided more than 30 lakh people have worked in this movie.
Very good.
30, okay.
Yes.
He has provided job to them.
Yes.
Okay. He paid the tax.
Yes.
He followed all the rule regulation.
Yes.
As an Indian, he has full right
Yes.
to make the movie. Okay? So
Yes.
I want to know, and also if we go by Constitution, Article 9, which guarantee freedom of speech, freedom
Yes.
of expression, freedom
Yes.
of writing.
Yes.
So I want to know what is objectionable when he has
Freedom
gone
of
through all
speech
the
and
legal
expression.
process.
Yeah. Let me begin from my favorite subject, Article 19.
Okay.
Freedom of speech and expression guaranteed to the rest of the things and to the media, especially to the film as an entertainment, is completely different. Freedom of the speech and expression given to the movie is completely different. And freedom of the speech and expression given to the media is completely different. So we can't take in a single roof under Article 19. If
Why
same
not?
case, Central Board for Film Certification has
Okay, then
restricted
specify.
under the same.
Then specify.
I will come.
Come
one
soon,
by one.
it's a debate. Why it's not a parliament discussion that you have to lecture for
See,
2 hours.
you have given 6 points. I would
I
like
have
to
given
elaborate
only one
all of them.
point. Yeah,
And,
please go
and to
ahead.
give me any one reason
No,
why
wait,
they have
wait.
denied.
Central Board for Film Certification felt this movie is not apt. Movie is not apt to Indian film industry. So they haven't banned. They have showed their reluctance to clear. So if you want it to be clear, you have to follow the process of jurisdiction rather than forcing them to resign. So this is something
Who is
politicization.
forcing?
No.
Why
You
is
read Leela Samsung. What she
Arre,
has
why
said.
should I?
Come on,
Why
the person
does-
who resigned
who
is
will
saying
judge it?
why she has resigned. The person who resigned is saying why she has resigned. It's a politicization. The politicization is what we are receiving from these 4 of my beloved partners, panelists, who are saying that same
So
politicization.
she is not compatible. She could not handle the pressure. So she should be
It
sacked.
is not about pressure. Leela Samsung has been known for good handling.
Now you tell me,
leadership.
there are various movies, semi-porn movie rather.
Yeah.
Semi-porn movie has been shown.
Yeah.
Okay? But
Yeah,
on
with
the
the
other
certificate.
hand, this movie, which is conveying a good message, you should not drink, you should not go to
Achha, what about
prostitute.
Rajini MMS?
But
What
the
about these
irony
movies?
is none of
They
us
are
have.
conveying wrong
none
message.
of
Then
us
why
have-
should they?
Even in the movies, they are killing, like what the term is there for, like they are completely horrible movies. One
This
can't
movie
see.
is against
For
evils.
movie
This movie is against evils.
Wait, I'm saying you certificate is AA is also there, right? When you if you think of those movies, killing, semi-porn, as moderator puts it, these will come under A. The families are related will come under U. You can't categorize the movie like Messenger of God under any of this category. This is also one of
तो जो भी कैटेगरी दिखाए फिर चली तो दिखाई तो गई
that
वो।
you have to do
But
under
people are
parliamentary
objecting,
procedure.
Baba. People are objecting to such movies, but nobody is caring about.
No, everybody is watching, sir. Those movies have earned billions.
Yes, this movie will also burn.
People haven't earned. People are not objecting.
Okay, so I am not getting the clear answers from any side. Though I have to now
I have
the
given
other
to
side.
chat. I have replied
Now I
to
have
chat
to ask
today.
some questions to them. Now my question to Singhvi and other who are favoring. Now my question: the guy who's facing the serious charges, the charging of castration, charging of various other criminal, activities. तो वो आदमी जब एक तो वो ये इस तरह की मूवी बनाए, डोंट यू थिंक इट्स ऑब्जेक्शनेबल?
चार्जेस की अगर बात करो तो ऐसा बहुत से लोगों के ऊपर चार्जेस है। सलमान खान के
इतने एमपीज हैं हमारे, उन पे इतने चार्ज हैं, बट वो भी फिर भी
फिर
कंट्री
मूवी
को
बना ही रहे हैं ना।
व्हाट इज
रूल है कंट्री को।
मतलब ये किस तरह का
So,
दिस इज नॉट अ गुड क्वेश्चन।
I mean,
नहीं है,
for you
जो
people,
उन्होंने hide रखा है।
by going your logic, you are saying, okay, whether a rug, whether a thief, he thief has full right to preach.
Oh, if he is giving good message by preaching,
Then what-
so
What's
that
wrong
is a
in that?
different matter. That is a different matter.
So the guy who is facing the serious charges against castration,
Actually,
400 लोगों को नपुंसक बना दिया।
Castration
और
का
for-
इससे
I
कोई
said moderator, the scenario is
Justice.
actually moderator. The scenario is the baby hasn't
So
even
for
born.
hiding his
Wait.
for hiding his sins, he is
Actually,
coming out and praying. So I
What
mean,
I'm-
you are
I'm-
saying मुंह में राम ना बगल में
आप
चोरी इज
देखिए ना, तो
एक्सेप्टेबल।
ये तो अच्छी बात है ना, इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी वो ओपनली आ रहा है सबके सामने।
कमिंग फॉर अर्निंग।
Why? It's someone thought na, but how can you say he's coming for earning?
अगर
And that is also good na. Every babas and so many persons taking money from us, from people, right? From people.
Yeah.
But he not doing like that.
But the irony, moderator, if you
है वो है, वो
if you
खुद
look,
बोला
Mr.
है कि हाँ मैं
Moderator,
कमा रहा हूँ, it's my
if-
profession,
if-
right?
if-
I
if you
take
look, Mr.
objection
Moderator,
on your words, Bala Nagendran.
if you no, the wait, I
Don't
haven't
use
even.
वो
I-
बोल के
irony
कर रहा है कि
and
हाँ,
other words
जब
for me.
उसको
No,
I am
irony is not at all a word. Irony is a very good word.
गया,
No, I
I
don't
will
want.
say-
Okay.
आपको
Okay,
कहीं और
okay.
एक्टिंग करने का मौका मिलेगा तो आप पैसे लोगे क्या? तो उसने बोला हाँ मैं मेहनत करूंगा तो मैं पैसे लूंगा। तो ये मेहनत करके पैसे ले रहा है, पैसे कमा रहा है, then what is the problem?
Okay, then if it is not ironical, then it is tyrannical. Let me use the part of its moderator. If you've seen, the baby hasn't even born, but people are looking to get the admission in the IIT. This is what happening in the movie. None of us watched the movie. We have just visited some of the information from the Central Board for Film Certification. But
Arey bhai,
everybody
we are
saying
not-
it's a good
Arey,
movie.
we are not
It is a
debating the
big
movie.
movie. It is a saint movie. It is a guru movie. It's a Baba movie. It's a
We
Singla
are
movie.
talking about censor board is fair or unfair.
That's what we need to speak. Why we are talking about movies? Censor board is fair in its function. Ask them to quote any function which they have violated. Censor board.
But how he is fair? So many इतनी
They
सारी movies
haven't
आती है।
banned. They haven't
तो कि-
conveyed that the movie is bad. None of them should watch. They said the movie. We are reluctant to issue the certificate because of this. Even the directors have accepted to cut those facts. Then why they have
अच्छा
accepted?
दानिश मुझे एक बात बताओ,
यही तो है ना,
ये
लोग
मैसेज
पहले ही
गलत
बोल
लगा
देते
आपको,
हैं, पहले ही
ठीक है?
कंट्रोवर्सी
ये
पैदा
मैसेज
करते
मतलब
हैं।
ये मूवी
फिर
को
वो
उन्होंने-
जब हाईलाइट हो जाती है तब वो अर्न करती है, तो फिर वो लोग बोलते हैं कि ये इतना अर्न करी, तो सेंसर बोर्ड को इतना वो करने की आवश्यकता ही नहीं थी ना इस मूवी के लिए। ऐसी तो बहुत सारी मूवीज है ऐसी।
Nikita is also saying yes, Nikita.
जी दानिश, अगर ये बात आप कह रहे हो कि इससे गलत मैसेज जा रहा है, कम्युनलिज्म, ये सारी बातें आप उठा रहे हैं, तो ऐसे कितने सारे टॉपिक है जो लोगों के सामने नहीं आने चाहिए, फिर भी उससे सर्टिफिकेट तो मिल ही गया, फिल्में चली गई, आपने देखी, सबने एंजॉय किया, कमाया, फिर उन्होंने भी तो अर्न किया ही ना। अगर आप ये सब बातें बोल रहे हो, कितने सारे नाम पिक्चर के आप गिना सकते हो।
अब आप रिलीजियस मूवी की अगर बात करें तो ओ माय गॉड, जो कि उस पर भी पूरा बैन था, और जो पीके है वो सिमिलर ही है, फिर भी मतलब उस
दोनों
मूवी
भी साथ सिमिलर
Those who are released by, even at that fine, I will say censor board is fair.
it means it is
Okay, so
unfair.
Niranjan is also with us. Niranjan, and the same argument the Bala has thrown, I will throw back to Bala. Bala, your words I'm saying. Listeners, I'm saying the Bala's word. Now Bala said, censor board has objection on some things, and director has accepted to cut it. When director has accepted to cut it, that censor board told it is, director has accepted, then what is there to ban?
Yeah, this is the politicization problem.
Arey bhai, what
This is
the
what I am
politics?
saying. This
You
is what I am
yourself is saying.
First
Director
of
is accepting
Now
the
you
censor
don't
board
have-
thing.
No.
You yourself is saying.
I am
You don't have a point, so
I-
you went to politics.
I am trying to
Politicization,
prove
they are
censor
unfair,
board is
na?
fair. I am not talking about the movie.
No,
I am trying to prove censor board is fair. It has pointed out, if it is censor board is not fair, why the director has accepted to cut the point? Censor board is fair, na? By repeating.
But after cutting the
Yeah.
point, the
They haven't
ban
cut it. They
कर
haven't
रहे हैं,
cut
ये
it
तो
for the
गलत है ना।
information. They have just said we are ready to do it. That nothing has happened. The movie is going to be released in soon. Though the censor board is violated because of the politicization. I strongly say with the body censor board.
Okay, so
Yeah,
now,
so it was
girls, I
unfair.
have a similar question. See, I have the question. Niranjan, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? You are with us? I think it's gone. Okay, so मेरा आपसे आप लोगों से ये प्रश्न है. Censor board comprises with many members rejected the movie. Okay, now this movie is gone to this film certification affiliation tribunal. Okay, there are only 2 members who have passed. A body which comprises more than 15 members have rejected, but these 2 members have passed it. I know, where is it fair? These 15 members found something and they have rejected. I mean, you are not agreed with the 15 people, and you are agreed with the people who are under political pressure. That's 2 people only. The body of 2 people you are accepting. I mean, who will decide it?
Yeah, whatever they will do, it will decide. The result is in front of us. We can just analyze what they are doing.
For your information, the result is not in front of you. It is in front of the censor board before it is put in front of you. Yeah, everything must be a procedural
joined
thing.
us. Okay, so सरीन सर आपका स्वागत है जी. आई थिंक मैम इज जी, स्वागत है आपका.
देखो ऐसा है, जो आज का ये टॉपिक है, टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा है, पर मैं मानती हूँ कि हमारी डेमोक्रेसी पे सीधा सीधा चोट है. कोई भी अपनी बात को मतलब अगर किसी भी ढंग से रखना चाहता है, मुझे लगता है कि उसे स्वतंत्रता होनी चाहिए, चाहे वो फिल्म हो चाहे वो कुछ भी हो.
जी, so another female is joining the all females. So all the females are one side. Today Bala Nagenda, you are alone. I pity on you.
Yeah, truth always alone.
Okay, so she is saying in India is a democratic country when everybody has right to, everybody has right to express his feeling by the various sources one have.
अगर हम माने इन धर्म गुरुओं को वैसे भी उनकी आड़ में हम जाते हैं किसी न किसी अपने उद्देश्य को पूरा करने के लिए, अगर उसने फिल्म बना भी ली तो मुझे क्यों लग रहा है कि हम लोगों को कि उसने हमारे पे आक्षेप किया है या ऐसा किया है या कोई भी ऐसी पिक्चर आ जाती है. तो
आप जो सेंसर बोर्ड के रोल पे क्या कहेंगी कि सेंसर बोर्ड ने मना कर दिया इसको, तो सेंसर बोर्ड के बारे में क्या कहेंगे? आई मीन
क्योंकि मैं यही कहूंगी कि हमाम में सारे नंगे पीछे से सारे गुरुओं के पास जाते हैं, सामने मतलब पब्लिक का सामना नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए उन्होंने इस पे रोक लगा दी कि नहीं ये धर्म गुरु ने बनाई है तो इसमें कुछ ऐसी बातें, जबकि कोई ऐसी बात मुझे नहीं लगती है कि ऐसी बात उसमें है. अब मुझे लगता है अपने को सेव करने के लिए उन्होंने ऐसा किया है.
Okay, so Bala, the argument is thrown by Hindu ma'am is, she finds it illogical. She finds the reason given by the censor board completely illogical because they cannot, fight. They are just afraid of the communal harmony. They are afraid of communal violence. So that's why, for getting rid of such things, they are just getting away.
Yeah, I respect the view. First of all, even if it is illogical, if it's reluctant to do, we have to go further. There is no wrong in censor board. They have said what they felt. That's what they are meant for. That's what their function. Functionally, they haven't violated anything. So, functionally, they are at most fair to the level of the movie. Then why the director accepted to cut?
This is what I'm saying.
That's what I am also asking.
Now,
that's also I am also asking.
My another question to you. Only a particular community is against this movie. India is such a big country and India is a country of diversity.
First time Badalta there is a meditation hall.
Yeah.
Okay, so India is a country of diversity. India is a democratic country. So, most of the states are not against this movie. They were shocked when they heard that censor board took such thing.
Democracy means looking for all the people, even they are minorities.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's
but
what we need to look. There is no hasty
But
decisions can be taken.
Can you give any kind of logical reasons which they have given?
Ma'am,
you tell me.
The logical
we
reason.
have given many reasons, but you haven't given any reason.
No, you have given reason without watching the movie, which is illogical. I'm saying.
No.
I am talking about the function of Central Board for Film Certification. The function is to look into the movie, to review the movie, to preview the movie, and to look whether it affects the people's fundamental right as well as the sovereignty of the country.
So what you are saying today, whether the independent bodies are right or wrong, so you are considering the independent bodies like a dictatorship. Whether they are whether they are wrong, we have to accept it.
Sir, in some cases of our country, you can't question few things. This is what democracy is meant for. If you mean everybody is free, that is not democracy. That is anarchy. Everything is free is anarchy. Democracy has a restriction.
में तो सब कुछ बिल्कुल क्लियरली पता है जब हम रिव्यू वगैरह सुनते हैं तो इससे और भी बहुत सी मूवी आई है जहाँ पर सेंसर बोर्ड को कुछ कहना चाहिए था, वहाँ पर तो सेंसर बोर्ड ने कुछ भी नहीं कहा.
They haven't suggested to ban.
Listen Bala Nagendran carefully. Today I know from Bala Nagendran simple definition of democracy. Tell people.
Yeah, democracy has a restriction. Surely,
no,
democracy.
You give me definition of democracy. I don't want your restrictions. You are not a godfather of democracy.
Democracy is a mob rule. My definition.
What mob rule?
Mob rule.
Follow by people for people.
That's what democracy is, a mob rule. I am a part of this country. I have to follow the mob rule.
Do you follow by people for people of people?
And that is given by one individual president. Why should I believe that?
So today you can see the face of Bala Nagendran. He is getting no answer.
No, I am getting clear answer. See,
he is finding himself out of the park. Has no answer.
I am straight away at the middle of the ground.
Now,
because
ladies, I have some questions for you. My question goes
I have
to
some
you.
question for the ladies also.
Go ahead.
Okay, you ask your question.
Go ahead.
Okay. You are saying the Central Board for Film Certification is unfair because the movie is preaching good. Right? So, what is the duty that Censor Board of Film Certification has to follow? Should they follow the guidelines prescribed by the Parliament under the Constitution, or should they follow the mind? What do you feel? You are saying they have to follow mind. What do you feel?
At least what they are doing.
No, at least you give me exact answer. At least.
क्या ये एक ही मूवी है जहाँ पर सेंसर बोर्ड को रिएक्ट करना चाहिए था?
Many movies have been banned, ma'am. Many movies have been cancelled.
Recently, you said someone.
Many.
PK is there. Yeah, Ragini MMS is there. So many movies are nowadays. Movies is not there. Dilly Billy is there. Nowadays, movies not like that. We can't sit with family with children. We can't see that. At that time, if they don't have any problem, they don't have any objection. Then why for now? In fact, this movie given us a good message.
Without watching the movie,
What Dilly Billy give us a message?
I reject that. I reject the perception.
Who will decide कि one has watched or not?
Movie hasn't released, sir.
So
media is covering all over.
Yeah, it's released already.
I have gone
and
through
review also come out. Preview also come out.
I have gone through his interview, and he's categorically saying, if my movie will be objectionable, or else my movie, if any, not only this, even his, for the listener's sake, I tell you, his another movie, Messenger of God, is just ready as well. So, he's saying, if my movie will be against family, or family cannot watch my movie by sitting together, I challenge, I promise, I will be.
All the directors said. Vishwarupam Kamal also said, sir, this, when Censor Board was reluctant. I remember. I help you to recollect the point.
Okay,
Vishwarupam Kamal also said the same.
Can you throw your questions to them? Then I have some questions.
Yeah, that's what I have asked the question. What do you want? Do you want the Censor Board to follow the constitutional duty, or the duty according to the law, or according to the whims and fancies of the people?
So that is a replying na ki what kind of this movie giving us message? Dilly Billy and that Ragini MMS.
Every time you're
so many movies we can
Even
see.
one movie came 1, 2, 3.
In that case also,
What?
under their function, under their jurisdiction, creative endeavor, entertainment policy, they have given certification. At the same time, they have banned many movies. Why aren't we talking about? Marudanayagam, a movie has been cancelled completely by Censor Board. It hasn't even.
I don't know about that movie.
We don't.
Yeah, Marudanayagam, the Kamal Haasan movie has been completely cancelled.
Yeah, Vishwarupa, I know. Okay, so now my question for the ladies, I will throw the same argument to Jyoti Malik, and the argument Jyoti Malik has thrown on the table. Now, Jyoti Malik, you have given the argument that he has portrayed himself as a god. Okay, so it is people find this objectionable, so they don't want it to release. Now my question is, if we go by the religion of Sikhism, okay, in Sikhism they don't believe anybody to portray as a god. Okay, everybody knows. So it is clearly, against their principles, against their religion. So what's wrong if they are objectionable? When you know in India this religion does not allow this, and yes, go ahead. This movie is based on Sikh. A lot of scenes are there. Punjabi song is there. You want you straight away inviting the.
So English songs also there. English talking also there. English movements also there.
Even I take a stand.
आप लोगों के लिए हिंदी में क्वेश्चन दोहरा देता हूँ. मेरा हिंदी में क्वेश्चन है कि सिखिज्म में किसी को भी इजाजत नहीं है कि वो अपने आप को गुरुओं की तरह दिखाए, और बाय द आर्ग्यूमेंट गिव बाय ज्योति मलिक इस मूवी में ऐसे हुआ है, तो इट इज हर्टिंग द क्लियर कट सेंटिमेंटल्स ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ सिख. So when you know censor body has gone through the rule regulation, they find it objectionable, they objected. So how, I mean, where you are saying that censor body is unfair?
सिर्फ एक
अगर आप एक कम्युनिटी की बात करते हैं सिर्फ,
अरे भाई this movie he is also a guru of such community.
तो ऐसे तो वही तो बात आती है ना फिर हिंदूज की. अब आप फिर देखे बाद में आप पीके पे आ जाते हैं, तो सेम पीके में भी है वो, जैसे पिता ने कहा था कि वो चप्पल लेके मंदिर में जाते.
Again I am correcting, the censor board hasn't banned the movie. You are talking in the sense that it is banned. It has showed its reluctance to clear. So it can be, even censor board can be made right if proper discussion is undertaken. As of now, they have followed their duties cordially and up to the law. That's what we are talking about. We are not at all talking about what is there in the movie. Even I accept. Even I am a person who stands by that. If you don't like the movie, don't watch.
We are just saying that they are unfair in their decision.
How? You say?
Yeah, we have said
they are following the code of. They are following the code of the film certification code. They are following federal law. They are following. How can you say they are unfair?
But if they are right, then what about other movies? Do you have any idea?
They also undergone the federal law, right? No, government is not sitting silent when they are doing unfair.
It is talking against casteism, against this. Casteism and alcoholism, drug addiction, all the things that they're teaching, we shouldn't follow these things. So what's wrong?
Even now I won't accept without watching the full movie. Whatever you say, it's a kind of a skeleton.
Okay,
I don't believe in skeleton, but I believe in soul.
Now I am not. I will not talk about skeleton. I will talk about soul. Okay. Yeah. Let Jyoti Mali complete her argument, then I will. Okay.
I am just saying that this censor board is unfair. It just doesn't mean that whatever they have done. And the same again I will speak. They have done with Oh My God and PK. Why they have done? The movie hasn't released. It hasn't.
बहुत सारी चीजें जहाँ पर सेंसर बोर्ड को ऑब्जेक्शन करना चाहिए था, लेकिन नहीं किया उसको.
Movie 1984, which could have been, nothing happened. So thanks for that.
Even you can go. There was a movie Murder, I guess, in Hindi.
Okay, now one of my question is again a simple question to you.
Yeah.
If you are saying censor board is fair, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
With your logic, I agree.
No, not with my logic, with a code of principle.
Listen. Don't teach me this. I can throw this argument to you back later on. Now take my question.
Yeah.
Because if you talk about constitution, I can straight away cut your points. But I don't want to do that.
I'm not talking about constitution now.
Now take my question simply. Yeah. My question is, if you are saying censor board is fair, they are doing their job. Okay? They found something objectionable. They reacted in a way we should respect. Okay? Now, this movie right after that has been sent to the Film Certification Affiliation Tribunal.
Yes.
That is another body.
Yes.
Okay? There is a rule in India. If you fail in High Court, you can go to Supreme Court.
Yes.
The same logic if you apply here. If you are rejected there, you have gone there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that has passed. So it means. So there is a confusion between couple of
very good question. No. I like this question.
My question, thank you so much for you, but don't dodge by praising me.
No.
Yeah. So question is, so it means to some extent, censor board has done a mistake, and it has been corrected by another board.
I will reply this answer with the same High Court Supreme Court example. Right? High Court has the Sessions Court has granted 4 years of imprisonment. Supreme Court has granted bail to a person.
Yeah.
So can we say the Sessions Court is unfair? They have according that is judiciary.
So you are doubting the Supreme Court.
No.
You are doubting the Supreme Court.
No, I am not doubting the Supreme Court. Sessions
Court
has
followed.
Of
yourself, Bala. You are doubting the esteemed body.
I haven't said anything doubting. Yes. You are only saying the thing is. I am asking a question. Can you say Sessions Court is unfair?
You will surely regret for that.
I won't regret. The thing is, can you say Sessions Court is unfair? No. Because according to the circle provided drawn to them, they have worked. Similarly, Central Board for Film Certification has a particular circle which they cannot go. then Film Certification Appellate Tribunal as another circle which is wider than Central Board for Film Certification. So they have passed it. There is nothing wrong to say Central Board for Film Certification is unfair. According to their law, they are fair.
Okay, so I will keep this debate carry on, but a short break before that for listeners. If you want to keep your viewpoints here, and Radio Udan is welcoming you. Skype ID RADIOUDWN. Our very short break. We'll be back with the same panelist and maybe with some new more. रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन 2015
मकसद आप सबसे मिलने का।
रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन 2015
जहां होंगी पोइट्री, प्ले, सिंगिंग, प्रेजेंटेशन और मच मोर।
So what are you waiting for? जल्दी से रजिस्टर करें हमारी वेबसाइट www.radioudan.com पर और बने पार्ट 2015 रेडियो उड़ान कन्वेंशन का। जी लिसनर्स, ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है और आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान पर एक सर्दी में गरम डिबेट और टॉपिक है क्या सेंसर बोर्ड अनफेयर रहा मूवी मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड को लेकर, जो कि एक डेरा सच्चा सौदा के प्रमुख बाबा गुरमीत राम रहीम द्वारा प्रोड्यूस, डायरेक्ट, एक्ट, सिंग न जाने क्या क्या ओवरऑल मूवी बनाई गई। ओके, सो गाइज एंड गर्ल्स, आई विल गिव यू 10 मिनट्स। आई विल नॉट इंटरप्ट single time in these 10 minutes, and let's have a complete open debate. Anybody can cut each other point. I won't interrupt. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to.
I would like to say कि when Bala is saying कि where they have done their duty, but my question is and my take on it is कि they should treat each picture of the same topic equally. So if they are banning one picture and letting other picture to be passed, or they are not objecting on it, this is wrong.
How can you treat one movie from another when each movie is having a different bottom line?
What is this? Movie on the same topic.
Similar movies are like that.
You should not drive a vehicle with 100 kilometer where you have to drive with 40 kilometers. What are you speaking?
I'm talking about topic.
I am telling you. The Central Board for Film Certification is a constitutional body established under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. They are doing the things whether banning or clearing under the Act of 1952. If they have violated any act features of 1952, you tell me, I accept.
But why only
they haven't
this
violated?
movie? About other movies,
that you
Bala?
have to go to
Do you
the
have
appellate
any answer
tribunal.
regarding that other movies?
So which act they are
Wherever
breaking?
the
You tell
board
me.
felt something violated,
Which
they have
act
gone.
this movie is breaking?
This is equal to why you have given a food, non-veg to a non-vegetarian person, but you haven't given to a vegetarian person.
This movie is breaking.
What?
You tell me. Which act they are under? Which 152
Cinematograph Act of 1952.
Which act?
Cinematograph Act of 1952.
Yeah. So what this movie is breaking? Has it been revealed? Has it been revealed?
Yeah,
What do you think?
five major reasons have been given by Central Board. The same reasons which you have pointed out.
You tell
According
me.
to them, yeah.
You repeat.
The exhibition of movie is contrary to the country's Cinematograph Act. First of all, first thing, it is contrary to the Act, Cinematography Act of 1952.
Which act? I mean, what the act says?
What the act? Go and read the act.
Which rule they have violated
I'll tell
under
you.
that act?
First of all, when you are doing a movie, it should not act the religious and freedom as well as the nation and the individual sentiments. The movie affects the creative endeavor. Wait. If you put a question, you have to wait for the answer.
So many movies on religion then.
So many movies are based on religion, Bala.
Go and oppose. Why you haven't opposed then? Why you haven't opposed?
Oppose, so many people oppose for PK.
People are opposing one.
They have gone to the court and cleared, right? The central board is also doing its duty when the movie like Messenger of the God is acting where the person himself portrayed as a guru, which is hatred towards the Sikh people.
So lots of movies we can say.
No, don't talk about lots of movie. Only talk about Messenger of the God. That's why we are sitting here.
But
the topic is censored board.
If you're thinking about religion, if you're thinking
Are
about...
we talking about the protest?
I haven't even come to the protest. I am saying the sentiment of the Sikh people and sentiment of a
And
particular
what about
people.
other religion, Bala? You're thinking only one religion.
No, I am thinking only the Central Board for Film Certification, not about religion.
Yeah, so that's
The reason that they have portrayed.
With the other now, they are good. I mean, they are passing the other movies in which the person has become.
They have fulfilled the cinematography. See, wherever there was an oppose, that's what I said. They are not passing all the movies. Marudanayagam has been cancelled. I have portrayed you. Vishwaroop.
But lots of movies are in Hindi. They've already give their certificate.
What was the topic of that movie which you are saying?
That movie portrays the Kamal Hassan as a Lord Muruga who is doing some unwanted activities.
So he was doing unwanted activities.
Yeah. The censor board has completely cancelled it. Not even reluctant to clear. They have completely cancelled. The movie is put into the shelves.
Yeah, so in that movie they are doing unwanted things.
Yeah,
but
the same they have felt here. What's wrong?
No. What they are doing unwanted in this movie, you tell me.
That's what they are doing the right things. You can't tell me, me too can't tell me, because first thing, what they have said, the saint, the person who is portraying himself as a saint, the guru, which the particular people oppose. They want no one to be portrayed equal to their guru. In the title Messenger of the God, but he acted himself as God. That violates the...
But ऐसे तो बहुत सारी पिक्चर है जिसमें
लेकिन यहाँ इतने बाबा लोग इतना छुप के जो कारनामे कर रहे हैं उनके सामने अगर ये ऑनेस्टली सबको सामने कर रहा है तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि सेंसर बोर्ड को इसका ऑब्जेक्शन होना चाहिए.
Censor board doesn't care about Baba work or Nityananda work, ma'am. Censor board only care about the sovereignty of the country.
To me, in PK, he is taking the wine.
Again, you are going to PK. Come to Messenger of the God. I know you don't have the point for Messenger of the God. That's why you're going to PK. Yeah, you say, why are you going to PK? PK has been cleared by... Don't speak about PK because it is contempt to court. Because court is cleared.
To me, I am saying when we will compare, then only we can get to know.
No, you can't compare. Censor board's action is different to PK and different to Messenger of the God. You cannot compare.
Bala, the question is whether they are fair or unfair.
Yeah, that's what.
Then only we will get to know.
According to their constitutional duty, they are fair.
Okay, let me jump in for a while, and because I have to bind up the debate, and Chetna ji is quiet, even Minal ji is quiet. Jyoti has taken the toll on Bala. So now see, even the reports I have gone through, I find Sikh people are opposing because they are saying the character of this guy is not good. That's why. Character of this guy is not good. That's why we are opposing.
This is equal to creating a Sardarji joke movie.
What are
already people are
लेकिन कैरेक्टर से करना क्या है आपने वो मैसेज सही दे रहा है मूवी बिल्कुल सही है फैमिली के साथ हम देख सकते हैं that is fine I think.
If the movie is released then it is a different story. Before it is released it's a different story.
Media it was not. If something is wrong, why media hasn't covered it now?
Sir, that's what media hasn't covered. Then how you know the issue?
अरे मीडिया इज कवरिंग
तो कुछ होता तो मीडिया कवर करती ना.
मीडिया इज नॉट
media is questioning about the politicization of the censor board as well. Why Leela Samsung has resigned? Why government is interfering in Leela Samsung?
And you people have thrown up your light, and the last argument Bala has given 1952 Act. Let me throw some light on the Act. Whatever Bala told, I don't know if you are following the 1952 Act. Even I don't know why you are putting that, which is.
That is how censor board works, sir. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. No.
You don't care Article 19. You don't care Article 25. You don't care Article 26. You don't
Article 19 and Article 19 is different from
296, 298, 153. So you are totally against these. And you are putting the Act 1952, I don't know why and where.
See, if we say frequently the numbers of the article that was not amount.
Let me summarize, I don't know which Act you are talking about. I am giving you a simple Article 19
Cinematography Act of 1952. I am giving you
153A, 296, 298. I am giving
what
you
they are
three.
saying. What they are saying.
Let me summarize. But
no, the thing is, as I said
you
earlier,
want me to
Article
clear?
9. No.
You
Let
want
me.
me
I
to-
would like to. No. I would like to clear myself. I know you are clear. I would like to clear myself. That's why,
If
because
you have doubt, I can clear. No problem.
no. I have no doubt on you. That's it. That is a different thing. No one. Everybody have doubt on everybody. That so for that matter,
Can you
there is
complete
nothing different.
quickly now?
Yeah. Article, as I've said, Article 19, freedom of speech and expression is entirely different from film, as I've said. That's why the Act of
Then you are
1950 has
wrong.
been passed. No, it is right. It is right.
Specify. I'm arguing
Because-
with you. Specify.
Yeah, in 1919 that says defamation and it acting about the violation which is
The person who's making the movie as Indian first. Indian has full right.
what
30
full right
lakh people are working in that movie.
Yeah, I am also saying, sir, there is no right. But censor board also right now. Censor board personnel also Indian.
This is what we are asking.
Censor board is
To
also
give a valid
constitutional.
reason.
Yeah, I am giving valid reason. We are not in a position to grasp it. Article 19 doesn't amount here in terms of movies.
If it gives any communal color, the Article 26
It is not about communal color. Even censor board said. I clear
even
you.
Even
Censor board hasn't even said a communal color.
Hmm.
Censor board only said the creative endeavor
Censor
of
board had whatever the objection, director has cut it. Even you
Director-
are acknowledging.
director accepted to cut. Director hasn't cut. Director accepted to cut because he felt
Cut
there
it.
is no.
Has been cut.
No, director didn't cut it.
Has been cut.
Appellate tribunal passed that movie.
Yeah, passed after that editing.
After that editing.
Yeah. Okay, so let's. Bala has thrown his points. Other has thrown his point. Listeners, you are very educated and you know what is right, what are wrong. This debate is not to prove who is right and who is wrong. Our motive to prove what is wrong and what is right. And I hope you people get it. Or let me summarize in a 1 minute quickly what is this movie all about. डेरा सच्चा सौदा के प्रमुख बाबा गुरमीत राम रहीम ने एक मूवी बनाई जिसके ऊपर एक ऑब्जेक्शन हुआ। सेंसर बोर्ड ने इसे अनफेयर किया। इस पर कई अलग अलग लोगों के अलग अलग मतभेद है। सिख कम्युनिटी कह रही है कि उसका पर्सनल कैरेक्टर सही है, उसके ऊपर 400 लोगों को नपुंसक और कई तरह के सीरियस चार्जेस हैं। तो कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि इस मूवी में अब उसको पोर्ट्रेट किया गया है किसी गुरु को। हालांकि ऐसा आई हैव गॉन थ्रू मैनी रिपोर्ट्स एंड आई फाउंड नथिंग लाइक दिस। और इसके ऊपर अब रिजाइन हो गया है लीला सैमसन जो कि चेयरपर्सन थी, इस सेंसर बोर्ड की प्रमुख थी। इसके अलावा उनके साथ बाकी साथियों ने भी साथ दिया है। हालांकि अब इस पर पॉलिटिक्स भी हो रही है और ये सब आपको मूवी देखने। अगर मैं बाबा रहीम की बात करूं तो उन्होंने खुद इसमें कहा है कि द मूवी इज टेलिंग नॉट टू ड्रिंक, नॉट टू ईट नॉन वेजिटेरियन थिंग्स एंड डोंट गो टू prostitutes. And he categorically said, I'm quoting his interview, which is on 24/7 television by, I think, press reporter is Rajiv. Yeah. So he said कि we are against this, even नपुंसक बनाना नहीं है, हम शादी को प्रेरित करते हैं, लेकिन हस्बैंड और वाइफ का रिलेशन ही होना चाहिए, बाहर का अनलेजिटिमेट रिलेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। अब आप देखिए या ना देखिए, ये सब आप पर निर्भर है। और इस डिबेट में I go for the closing comment, then wind up. Yes, let's start with the ladies. Bala, I will get back to you at the end because you are an only person is favoring the censor board. Okay, let's begin with Chetna.
Yeah, I will say कि अनफेयर है तो अनफेयर है, इसे बैन नहीं करना चाहिए कुछ भी, क्योंकि कोई भी लॉजिक नहीं बनता है कि उन्होंने बैन किया इसके ऊपर।
जी निकिता जी। जी निकिता जी।
हेलो
जी निकिता जी।
जी, मैं अभी भी मेरे पक्ष के साथ कायम हूँ क्योंकि अनफेयर ही हुआ है। अगर ये मूवी की बात होती है तो बाकी भी मूवी उसमें आती है। अगर एक मूवी के साथ होता है तो बाकी मूवी के साथ भी होना ही चाहिए, नहीं तो इसके साथ भी नहीं। अभी तक हमें कोई भी ठोस उन्होंने रीजन नहीं दिए क्यों इन्होंने बैन किया। तो बस मैं अपने पक्ष के साथ कायम हूँ।
जी सिंघवी जी। think she's not with us at the moment. Singvi ji, are you with us?
या
जी, complete your.
जी जैसे कि हम देखते हैं आजकल ऐसी ऐसी मूवीज आती है